Welcome to Path of Life, your sanctuary for peace and relaxation. This guided meditation is designed to help you release anxiety, calm your mind, and restore a sense of balance. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, and let's begin this journey together. Take a moment to close your eyes and settle into a comfortable position. Allow your body to relax, your shoulders to drop, and your hands to rest naturally. Let go of any tension you're holding. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Set an intention for this meditation. Whether it's to feel calmer, more grounded, or simply at ease. Let's focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it gently for 4 counts, and now exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that again. Inhale calm, hold, and exhale all your worries. Each breath brings calm. Each exhale releases tension. Now let's shift your focus to your body. Start with your feet. Notice how they feel. Are they heavy, light, or neutral? Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your feet relax. Now, move your focus to your legs. Feel them getting softer, lighter, more at ease. Breathe in calm and exhale any tightness. Keep moving up. Focus on your hips and lower back. Feel the tension melting away. Move to your chest. Let it feel open and light. Breathe in peace and exhale stress. Finally, relax your shoulders. Let them drop gently. Relax your arms, your hands, and your fingers. Move to your neck and face. Let your jaw unclench. Soften your forehead. Breathe in calm and breathe out ease. Now imagine yourself in a place that feels safe and peaceful. Maybe it's a quiet forest, or a sunny meadow, or a calm beach with gentle waves. See the colors around you. Hear the sounds. Feel the textures. Let this place wrap you in safety. Let it fill you with peace. Stay here for a while. Breathe deeply. If anxious thoughts appear, picture them as clouds. Watch them drift away, slowly disappearing into the sky. Now let's repeat some affirmations. You can say them silently or aloud. I am safe. I am grounded. Peace flows through me with every breath. I let go of what I cannot control. I am calm and I am at ease. Feel the truth of these words. Let them settle in your heart. Now, slowly bring your focus back. Notice the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final deep breath in. Hold it gently and exhale slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this calmness with you. Know that you can return to this state anytime you need it. Thank you for meditating with Path of Life. Explore our other meditations to bring more peace into your life. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with someone who needs it. Wishing you a calm and peaceful day ahead.